Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you briefly how to use the Threads app from Instagram, so let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and open the app. Once you open it and it loads up completely, in the home screen right here you should find all the posts and the threads from the people and accounts that you follow, and even suggested ones that you don't follow yet. You can find more accounts by tapping in the search icon in the bottom and following the suggested ones by tapping on the follow button right next to their profiles, just like that. You can even search for profiles by tapping in the top right here. Let's say I want to follow the Nat Geographic profile, so I search for it and then tap on follow right here, just like that. I go back to my home screen and I tap in this button in the middle right here. This is how I can create a post. So I write my post and I tap on post right here, wait for a couple of seconds, and then I find it here in my profile by tapping on this icon. Here are all of my posts and my threads. Now, since we are here, I can go ahead and tap on edit profile to edit some of my information or change the privacy of my profile. Once I'm done, I can tap on done in the top right corner. Now again, I can tap on share profile to share it via other social media or other apps. Once I'm done from that, I can tap on replies right here to find all of the replies that I have written, and I can tap right here in the top right corner to tweak some more settings in my app. I can go back from there, and from here in the heart icon I find all of my notifications, and I can filter them out by tapping on requests, mentions or replies. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.